Did you know it's illegal to dump untreated sewage into U.S. waters? Fines can range from $2,000 to $5,000 per incident. Beyond just the fines, untreated sewage can hurt our wildlife, our seafood that we love to eat, and our waters that we love to play in.
Here's the good news. Pumping out is quick, free, and easy right here at Charleston Harbor Resort and Marina. Let me show you how it works. All you have to do is pull up to Charleston Harbor Resort and Marina. We have a pump out station located right here at the fuel dock. We undo the cap, we insert a threaded adapter, and then we hook the hose right to it and turn on the pump. It's simple, quick, and easy. By taking a few minutes to pump out, you're protecting our environment, keeping our waters clean, and helping marine life thrive. In addition, you're setting a great example for other boaters.
Remember, dumping waste is illegal.
And it's free, easy, and a simple thing to do. And who wants to swim in dirty water?
And think about the seafood we get out of this water. Gross.
So come see us at Charleston Harbor Marina, where we're #1 in the #2 business. Pump it, don't dump it.